Here's a hurricane party. Here's Captain Bill. Okay, Captain Jimmy, sorry.
First mate, Willie.
The real captain. Smeed, the second sailor. There's the true captain. Ta-da! And there's Oliver. We're having a hurricane, and here is a playroom. That's what a playroom looks like after your kids have been locked inside all day. And here is the hurricane. And it's like, what time is it? 7:30. And here's our, oh, it's raining. Here's our park all tied down. And there's those big trees blowing around. Oh my goodness, it's wet. So that's that, and then I'll show you the front. Oops, I left the back door open a little bit.
I'm just gonna have a couple of raisins. That way.
Hey, Al.
Hang on. Sorry, I know it's dark. Hang on. Keep the squirrels in. And so, here's the front. I'll wait for another gust to come up. So, you get the idea. Isn't that pretty? Roses, lantana, and then vinca. Here it comes. Pretty fabulous. So everything has been pulled in. It looks like a ghost town out here. Look at that, like we're just moving in or something. I don't think I guess last year saw it. Look, ah, the rain's coming in here. But there you go. So here's my first tragedy. My hollyhock folded over in the wind. It couldn't take it.